Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to install the Cuda toolkit on Linux system. So let's assume that you are using the WSL tool as explained in one of the previous videos in this section. So what you need to do is to come to the start menu and search for the command prompt and then click here to open. And as you see, this is our command prompt. All you need to do is to just write WSL to open your Linux system on this Windows operating system. So it is going to take a few seconds, and as you see, now we are opening the Ubuntu system as we see. So now we need to check if the NVCC compiler is already installed in our Ubuntu system. But as you see, command NVCC not found. So what we need to do is to install the Cuda toolkit to be able to use the NVCC compiler. As you see from here, I'm opening the Cuda toolkit downloads page and then choose the operating system and the architecture of the operating system, and then the distribution. We have many distributions. I'm going to choose the Ubuntu, and you can choose the WSL Ubuntu if you are using the WSL tool. Then you have three options here. Two of them to download the file first, which is mentioned here by local, and one of them which is in the middle, the network, by installing it through the network itself. However, I'm going to install with the most easier way or easiest way, as you see here. Let's just check again NVCC version, command not found, but we have here the instruction in the second line, sudo apt install NVIDIA Cuda toolkit. So I'm going to take this and write it and then put the password, and here it is asking if you wanna to proceed. I click yes, and then it is going to take some time. It's going to take like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, so you have to be patient. Once it finishes, as you see here, all we need to do is to check again the NVCC compiler, because it is included in the Cuda toolkit. Once we install the Cuda toolkit, we have the NVCC compiler and all other features that we explained in the first video in this section. So let's start checking the version. As you see, the Cuda compiler is installed. In the first line, NVCC NVIDIA Cuda compiler driver, and the release of this Cuda toolkit is where is it? The release, 11.5, and this is good for a start. Okay, and let me tell you something. If you follow the steps from the website, you might face some issues or some problems. That's why I want you at the beginning to use this instruction. It is easy and there is no problem with it. Once you get familiar and you need to update your Cuda toolkit, then you can go to the Cuda download web page and choose your Cuda toolkit and install it. So that is all for today, and see you in the next video.